and we're going to bump into each other, and it's Power Wheels time. That's right. Like I said, you help them out. It's going to be a little bit, push them around. You can pull them apart, Round and round we go, up, down through the middle, bang, crash, here we go. UTV MX, oh, a good hit on the rear wheel. The caddy's coming around, the GMC is looking for somebody to hit. The pink caddy isn't going to be a head-on. The Yukon, the caddy, Barbie, Power, girl, oh, it's a swing and a miss. But the rear axles are taken out by the Jeep. The other Escalade coming in, and she separates him. A huge hit on the side. He's worked all year. He hasn't worked in 2.5 years. You took a vacation. Here we go. Make some noise for the orange pumpkin, number 26. Woo! Wow. They haven't been out either. They're cheering for a pumpkin. Halloween's out for a couple of days. She's a veteran of the ring. She spends all the time at work making her cars look pretty. I don't know how you keep that job at, I won't say where you work. Make some noise for 54 Amy Patton. Some people like pink.
Go louder for him.
Some people like multiple colors. Not sure what color to paint it, so you invited the whole family over. Make some noise for 69. This is going to be a close one today. Lots of relatives in the crowd for everybody. All right. Get loud, get proud for 81%. Just those 10 people. There were his classmates. They all got 81% because they cheated from each other. Here we go. 11:28. Very fast. Over here. There you go. Yeah, they got a little bit of group all over. All right. I saw a whole pit crew. He brought his whole pit crew in the cookie jar. Make some noise for number 2, the Cookie Monster. Food basics. Okay, you know what? Wow. You can come to my monster truck shows and you can be the clown for the crowd. That's a great job. Here we go. Make some noise for 81. I want to hear it again.